Where do you want to put your token? Ah, that one. Ay, anak. 2 tokens yan eh. 1 lang yung token natin eh. Sira ba to, kuya? Sira to? Ah, TV. Anak, 2 tokens yan eh. We only have 1. Ay, someone is playing. Someone is playing. We wait for our turn. Okay? How about this car? What? Wait for our turn. Which one do you want? Huh? That one ako. With the screen. No. Ay, 2 tokens pala yan. Silent. Ilan tokens yan? 1 lang? Silent Hero, 1 token only. Come on, you can ride. Excuse me, maghulog kaming token. Baba ka na? Baba ka? Sarah, come on! The blue car is empty. We go to the blue car. There! Come on, hurry! Hurry! Here! You put your token inside. Ha? Tagal naman, naiihina ako eh. Ito, 1 token na nako, Saral. Which one? Ito na lang. 1 token lang. Sige, yan na lang. Not yet. Already. Okay na ba? Ano ba? Kina? Not yet. Okay. Up. Go. Here. Look mo yung ano. Oh, man! Yay! Oh, 1 more! This one! Up there! Down! One only, anak! 1! 1 more? You look mo yung anak, saan yung ano siya, yung hole. No, 1 push only.